Alright, welcome everyone. So now we want to learn how to extract contacts from our WhatsApp groups. So I'll be using my personal computer. You can go to cafe or borrow from a friend. So just make sure you get a computer that you can use within few minutes, or let's say an hour to do all you have to do. So having done this, then you go to a browser on the computer and type web.whatsapp.com. So web.whatsapp.com, and that is what we need. So if you have not connected your WhatsApp to your uh, WhatsApp web before, you have not connected your phone WhatsApp with your WhatsApp web before, it's going to bring you a kind of code. So and then you go onto your phone. There is one three dots at the right top corner of your WhatsApp on your phone. So when you click on it, you are going to see option that says linked devices. You click on the linked devices and then you click on link a device. So that code will be showing somewhere around here. After you have clicked link a device on your phone, then it's going to bring something that looks like a camera for you to snap the code that is here. So you just place your phone in front of your PC to get the code exactly inside the box that is on your phone. So immediately it is connected, you're going to see message that okay, it is connected. Alright, then that is when your WhatsApp will load this way. It's because I've connected my WhatsApp to my WhatsApp web before. That is why I have this. Alright, so having done this, then let me look for a group that I want to extract from. Let me look for any of those groups that I've not extracted from before. So I'm looking for a group that I've been extracted from, so that we can do that from scratch and see how I do it. I saw something here now. Web development class. Let me click on this and see. I don't know why it's taking years to load. So let me keep going. Seems like someone now. Alright, so this is one, also 5B. This is one. I've not extracted from all this. So let me pick from all this so that it seems I'm familiar with these names. Let me click on okay. Since I've not extracted this, so let's use this. So when you over on this particular, this is where you have the information of everyone in your group. So you put your cursor on it and right click. So you're going to see this option, inspect. Click on inspect, and then let's wait for it to load. not what I want. So this is not what I want because it's little there. So these are all the contact I want to extract. You right click and then click on export. So it should bring all the numbers. It should bring all the numbers and they'll be highlighted. You know, I didn't highlight this myself, so it just got highlighted. So when you have not seen it this way, you still have to go back and see maybe there was a mistake or it has not loaded very well before you actually right clicked. So having after doing this now, so the next thing to do, so having done this, the next thing to do is to right click again on it. So you put your cursor on this highlighted area and then right click, then you come to copy. So you have different options of copy element, copy outer HTML, copy selector, copy all of this. So let's click on copy element. So you have copied that now on your, so now let's go to any editor you have on your PC. I'm going to be using Notepad. Then I'll come here and paste it there. Okay, so there is tendency that they are repeated, so that is normal. So most of the elements will be repeated like twice or more. So how do I normally get to know that? I will come down. You know, I saw like 2 contacts saved already, so I had to remove them. So I need those ones that are not saved, so I don't need those ones that are saved. So let me come down. I can still see them again. So this is telling me that another one starts from this place again. So all these ones that are here, they are repeated here because I've deleted this up here now. As everyone can see, this Abu and then Abdulatif, I've deleted them up. So having them here again means that there is a repetition. So from this place, I may want to remove everything. I had to, so I've removed this now. So while you are still on this, if you want to add more, you can come back here. You can come back to your, what is it called, to your WhatsApp web and copy another. So let me copy this one here. No, let me copy 2 here. So I have these 2 here too now. Let me right click and then inspect. This is not what I want, so let me go back, let it load. It's still loading. When it loads finish, it's going to bring all these options. Then let me right click again and then come to inspect. So having done that, then I have all these names here now. So the same process that I took the other time is what I'm going to take now. So right click on the highlighted area and then come to copy, then copy elements, and then come back here to add to what we have there. So I'm just going to paste on this again. So now I've pasted that, I'm going to look for the saved names. I have Habiba, mine, and all of these saved here already. So let me go up and see if I have the same thing repeated. Yes. So I'm going to be removing all those saved contacts so that I won't have to. Let me just remove them. I don't need them. I need to be careful so that I'm not going to delete from those ones I want and I save. Then come down here to remove the excess, the repetition. So that starts from here. So this is okay. I think just these 2 contacts everything. I think this is okay now. It is okay now. So having edited all I want to edit now. Okay, let me remove this. Then I just need to copy all we have here, and then I will go to my Excel file. So I've copied this, and the next thing is to go to my Excel So should I close this? No, don't let me close it. Let Excel load. Alright, let's see in the next video while we are going to be editing on our Excel. Alright, bye. See you in the next class.